conversation about rape culture in Jamaica continues. It seems it has no end anytime soon, which is a good thing because, as me always say, this kind of topic is not one that should only be had for a 7-day talk or for the minute. No, it's something that should be addressed continuously to bring awareness. Now, big up to Mr. Vegas, because Vegas, as much as enough people don't like him, Vegas is on a mission to expose all of them. And the man not care where people want to say. So, yeah, Vegas are doing the thing same way so, which is right. Me like that. Now, Dr. Love have a few things where more to say right there so. And him about the people them who him say are defend the rape of them. All rapers, as a matter of fact, the man are born out. Take a listen to what Dr. Lover say.
I noticed Bounty Killer was the one. Bounty Killer always a my artist. I like Bounty Killer music. Not all our music, but I like that of his music. But fear is fear. I noticed Bounty Killer got so intertwined into it that Bounty Killer run to his Instagram page and run to defend a pedophile. Right? Bounty Killer you run to your Instagram page and you defend a rapist. Right? You defend a person who name call upon rape more than one time, whole per time. So much time that you can't even count. And you run go defend the person. Not like you never hear about it before. But check the level of this though. Remember Tanya Stevens to come out and talk for a long time and just now Tanya talk, you know. This a couple times now Tanya talk about it. See? And none of the entertainer them never get up and try to defend her or try to even give her a little bit of encouragement or even make them repost it. None of them not do it. But it's just quite funny that as soon as the young lady come out and talk about the rape situation, Bounty Killer, you put it on your page, you were so in defense of the person, defending the person to saying that the person is innocent. So pretty much you're saying that the little girl, the young lady is lying and it did not happen. And here's your word, a man is innocent until proven guilty. But when Tanya talked before that and so forth, you never come out and say A, B, and C, and so you never say nothing. You know why you never say nothing? Because you defend your friend. You defend your friend. You want your friend to look good. You want people to believe in your friend. You want your friend continue to get them big award and walk around, travel around the world and say, "I fly the flag at Jamaica high all over the place," and people continue. Whatever. So you defend him. Not like you don't know, so your friend love to choke people girl pitney. You know. You know, so your friend love to choke people girl pitney. You know, so your friend love to abuse people girl pitney. But you turn a blind eye about it. And instead of you do it better, you never say nothing. Instead you do what you're supposed to do as a man. I not say as an artist, as a man. You turn around and you pretty much shove the female victim them down in the ground. And I'm not like saying you don't know, so your friend walk around and do these things. You must know of it because of your friend. You know what your friend will do from what you not do. Then all of a sudden now, birth paper come out. Birth paper come out with your name on it. And our 15-year-old or 14-year-old. And then now, how do you feel now, say, birth paper come out with your name on it? Right? When you was 21, get a young lady pregnant, that pitney should be about 29, 20 or whatever it is now. How do you feel about it that you come out and you defend a raper man? Because me say it, yes, I said it, I said a raper man. Yes, me say it out of my mouth, plain and straight, me say it. You understand? There's no allegation on here, sir. Right? You come out and you shove down the victim them. Right? You come out and you defend your friend, your nasty friend. You come out and you defend your little nasty friend. Because me call him nasty friend. Yeah, your nasty wicked friend. You come out and you defend him. And you look stupid. You look very stupid. You look biased. And you never right what you do. And not only that, people lose a lot of respect for you because guess what happened? Yeah, me still like some of your song them killer, but guess what happened? Me not rate you again. Me don't rate you again, bad man. Me don't rate you again. You know why me not rate you again? Because if me have my friend, me know what my friend will do from what my friend nah do. Because if you're my friend, me will know if you're a thief or if you're whatever it is, because it must be something down the road for me to realize or whatever it is. And if me want to be a hypocrite, I'm not going to open my mouth and talk. Me now open up my mouth and say, boy, rate it. I'll keep my mouth locked because at the end of the day, I don't want to play no hypocrite. And you play a big hypocrite when time you come out and try to defend somebody who do something to people girl pitney. You understand? The person was a friend of me too. He was a friend of me. He was a good friend of me. You understand? He was a good friend of me. And guess what happened? I cut him off. I know him cut me and I cut him off. Yeah, I cut him off. I hope money I spend with him. What money I spend with him? Whole heap. Right? Drive up and down and kind of things and all of that. And guess what happened? Not because you're my friend means that I'm going to defend you and say, boy, you're a good somebody. No. If you walk around and choke people girl pitney, you walk around and choke people girl pitney. And it comes down to the end of the day, so guess what happened? It's out there so we can talk about it. We can talk about it. Right? Killer, what you do is wrong. It is wrong on every level what you do and so forth. That you come out and defend a man name or call upon that more than one time. Whole time in name call upon it. And I just know. Whole lot of time in name a call upon rape. And I just know. You understand? And then when the whole situation come out to the girl, and people, the reason why I talk about it because you have to just spade a spade. We are black and we can talk about it. When the whole situation come out with the young lady say, what happened to her? Everybody beat her, everybody say she this and whatever it is and blah blah blah. You understand? And guess what at the end of the day you know? We walk around and defend our nasty friend them. Because them are our friend, because we don't want to see our friend them go to jail. Upon Jack Ure. Look at Jack Ure. You see Jack Ure carrying and smoke the bushweed over and just not listen. No matter how we talk to him, he not listen. See when they know, in there one jail, they want Dutch jail now because of dirty attitude. In ignorant bushweed we must smoke. You understand? I want to defend let me tell you something. Any artist out there who get up and defend any artist name will call upon any rape under any circumstances, you're a raper too. You like it. You either done it, or you're going to do it, or whatever it is, you're a raper too. Anybody, because me not defend no man will rape. And no man will call upon rape. And then guess what happened? As soon as the young lady come out and talk, them come out to lie and talk about liars, say seize and disease or whatever it is, like people are dead. If you try silent the victim them as over and over. Right? Silent the victim them. Right? With liar, like anybody care about them and then lie. Anybody care about them, there's all kind of law, there's international law, there's all kind of things. And nobody care. First of all, them have even if the court don't find you guilty, or the police station don't find you guilty, the public can find you guilty. You understand? Because guess what happens? There's a lot of women who come forward. There's a lot of female who come forward. There's over 7 females in our WhatsApp group right now who actually said the same thing, who call the same person name, and it's the same exact way the person have done it to everybody over and over. There's no joke about it. There's no way about it and so on. It's not trying to stop. You're not trying to stop a man from eating him food, but for a man do wrong, you do wrong. For a man do wrong, you do wrong, because guess what the end of the day? The victim them have bills to pay to, the victim have family too. You understand? We ain't coming out to play no victim and talk, but me understand say I'm a man. And check this. Man do things. Man do things. Sometimes man make mistake. But me not make no mistake and holding on people girl pitney. And then the next thing you know, when you look at the whole pattern of the whole situation, people. Look at the pattern of it. Of all the female them will come out and say, this have happened to them. The same kissing thing. Who not get beat, who not get proper shower, who not this, who not that, all kind of things have happened. For over the years and years and years. And then walk around behind the Jamaica flag and wave Jamaica flag and sing national anthem and so forth. Can't play in my car, can't play in my home. You understand? Never go to a party and listen to them. Because guess what happened? As I said, me and them are friend. Me and them are did friend. Me and them are did friend. So I can talk about it. You understand? They're evil. They're wicked. Point blank. They're evil and they're wicked. Yes, they come out of my mouth. They're evil and wicked. I know. You can't talk about somebody you don't know. And killer know. Killer be hypocrite. Killer know because guess what happened? Killer, you don't want a friend them to end up in a jail. But guess what happened? I wish it was the United States of America them did that. Because if the United States of America them did that, they may end up in a jail. They may do time. Look at R. Kelly. See what I'm to R. Kelly? There's too much R. Kelly and Bill Cosby walking around in Jamaica because you don't have a look at status. I remember say status, you don't have a local status, you know, and an international status, you know. Because I'm going to tell you something. You see the fact no found a name call and rape, no found now get certain things. No found now get certain things. And all of the young, let me tell you some people, you send any entertainer name call and rape, and I live here in the US, and if you make sure say, anytime them have a show, and go out there, go make a voice heard to make people know say no, they're not supposed to be around here, so. Period. Because you have a daughter, you have a son, you have a niece, you have a cousin. Point blank. You have a niece, you have a cousin, you have a daughter, and get, you know the worst thing about it? They have daughter too. They have daughter. And the fact that they have daughter, what if somebody will want to phone a daughter and rape on a daughter? What would it be like? When you don't want to kill a man, they don't say somebody want to kill you, the same thing. Eh? I see somebody want to kill you. Would you not like somebody rape on a daughter and the daughter attack and I say a lie? None of these people, none of them, they're not innocent. They're not innocent. When they do to Tanya, it's wrong on every level. It's wrong on every level, every week. Whether 30 years or 40 years ago, it wrong on every level. Because a lot of you are still living. Just like me come out the other day, I say, yo, a big woman rape me. Enough people have a bag of things to say, but I don't care because guess what? A big woman rape me. Right? A big woman rape me and guess what happened? Yeah. It's what it is. But guess what happened? I can't open my mouth and talk as a man. But enough of the man them now come out and say they get raped by a woman because they worry about them friend and say, boy, you a fish or something. You a girl or something. Where you come out and talk that for? Nobody no want to hear that. No. If you're a man and you get raped. Because enough man get raped by a man, they can't talk whether a woman rape them or a man rape them. You feel me I say? So my thing is at the end of the day and so forth. When you hear Tanya talk about the same thing over and over, you know why she talk about it over and over? Because she heard about it and she still remember the demon. That demon I left with her, just like when left the demon with other people. She remember the demon and she remember what she got through the day. She remember the abuse what she got through till today that she have to live with it. And the reason I'm speaking about it is because one time, the big one hold me and shoot me head in her front. Right? And make me have sex with her. I remember till today day. I remember until today date, I remember it. So if I can remember it as a man, not like say me never like it, me don't like it because I get pum pum at a young age. I do get pum pum at a young age, yeah. But me say it over and over. What if it was a man who raped me? What me that be like today? Me that go up to be a fish. But guess what happened? I'm glad it's a woman and I go up to her, I walk on the straight line. We have to be real. Not because we are man, we are say, so at the end of the day with Tanya now, I know what Tanya got through. Me not feel what she got through, but me know what Tanya got through. But somebody take something from you. Somebody push you to do something you don't want to do. I know a man go on top of a woman and just have sex with her like that without her permission. And you think that is right, and then people sit down different and talk about say, Tanya stop chat Tanya because over 30 years I know where you bring up that for. Well maybe some man if you rape someone or rape on a daughter or a son or a mama or a sister, then you don't feel what you feel like. Maybe a man if you hold on and tie on and rape on her, they don't know what it feel like. They don't know what be saying that. I bet you know we be saying looking for help and assistance, ain't it? Next thing me see now in the media now, Macadamia. Let me talk about Macadamia. Macadamia, I don't have nothing personal against Macadamia. But I go give a little word of encouragement. I don't have nothing against Macadamia. Let me tell you something, Maca. I see you come on yourself on Instagram, because I'm not on your page, you know. I think I'm me and follow you or you and follow me, I don't remember. Right? I see you come up on Instagram yesterday and you post what you post and you come on live and you come on with one up of excitement and this and Maca, let me tell you something, Maca. You know the problem with no female artists, you don't know how to unite with other female artists. You don't know how to unite, you don't know how to build a thing together, you don't know how to stay in a one house and eat out of one pot. Now Maca, you come on yesterday and you talk to your artist beat it because it's only few artists can beat you, know. It's either the one who love burn the bushweed, right? The ugly one or the long mouth one can beat you. I two of them artists, they only them alone can beat you because them love, when they love beat man, and them alone can beat you. Now Maca, check this now Maca. Check the level of this. I don't know if you come out yesterday for try if you kill the whole Tanya Stevenson and the rest of the situation that go on. Because when me hear you say you come out, I think you come out with the same name. Anyway, Maca, no disrespect to you or whatever you go through. Whatever you go through, you shouldn't have to go through that. But Maca, if you go and come out yesterday, and you come out, it either you come out for your sympathy from the public, or you come out because you still have go through it. But when you come out yesterday, one up a cup ball, and I got a Maca diamond, that right there, so that is selfish. That is very, very selfish of you to come out and carry on like that. Because guess what happened? What you claim that you have been through, I'm not saying you never been through, because I never did it. But at the end of the day, why you never deal with it in a different way? If you don't come out and call on him, it doesn't make any sense. Maka fire in the day same way, you know. I think I fire in the day. I think you live a fire, I don't know, because I don't know if a Jamaica there or whatever it is. But if you're firing from them time, it's either you're married and find somebody to sort out, or you just decide to say you don't go back. Whatever situation, it's okay. We all do that. But Maka, because all me, yeah, me the overstay and turn until me start out myself. But Maka, listen to this, Maka. The fact of the matter that you come out yesterday and you're crying out and carry on like that, Maka. If you don't come out and talk whatever it is, then it doesn't make any sense. It's like you're coming out because when you see Tana do a thing, when you try to follow it, like when I say, boy, Tana, come out and not call the name and so. Tana don't call him for many reasons. Because you have a woman at Jamaica, where run the music industry. You see, when she's a favoritism of a certain artist, you can't do nothing wrong na fear, right? But enough of them are dead bad. Yeah, them are dead bad, enough of them. That's why enough of them look the ugly, they look and just look mash up and just look so. A wickedness I reach them. And all that makeup of them put on them face, it still carry them, still look wicked and still look disgusting, see how you. No Maka, you come on yesterday, you cry, one up a crowd balling and this and rate. What you do yesterday, Maka, that don't make no sense. Because you should just come on and say what you say. You say then give you money for silent you. Right? I'm black that person. I'm black that person. I'm black that one person. Black you, okay. Black, and then, you know what I like about this? Black the person, that means the person cannot create no more account again. Yes, that person they get black, just like that. Anybody else want to get black, say it right now that you can just get it one shot. Boom, out. Anyway, love black people, you know, especially when they come and chat out them out. Let me say it now. No, Maka, I am not saying that what happened to you yesterday is not true. But Maka, if you go and come out, and you're going to do that, Maka, you come out and you talk what you talk, because you say then give you money for silent you. Maka, the money run out. The money done, Maka. Maka, not only that the money done, you understand, so your career not really there. On the peak right now. Nothing wrong with that, your body at that time, and there's no disrespect me at this. You. But Maka, at the same time, if your career not there on the peak right now and the money done, come talk. Because there's no more come. Come say what you have to say. Come say, yo, John Brown beat me, because guess what happened? If you say John Brown come beat you, or give the people them some idea who beat you, then you're saving another female from getting her ass flagged by this demon artist that you say that do this. A lot of women come out and say a lot of things now, but you are trying to follow a trend that Tanya is doing because you don't want to talk. But if you're not coming out, come get the right help from the public, don't come out and talk. Keep on the mouth locked. Keep on a rape situation or an abuse situation waiting, because since you don't want to talk, ain't nobody got no time for no guessing. Nobody have any time for any guessing. Right? You come out, you see, and you up a cold balling and all that. I say, yo, what's wrong with Macadam? Macadam just don't learn. She just don't get it. Right? You come out and carry on like this, and then I end the idea, people thank you, alright, yeah. But just come out and me just want to share myself. No! I feel like say una try to take away the whole thing we are going with Tana Stevens. So like, we go up to Queen Africa, the mama. Yeah, Queen I say from long time, daddy don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell you one day, I swear. Uncle don't touch me there. Grandfather don't touch me there. My daddy best friend don't touch me there. You have to know if you speak the truth, people, and stop being hypocritical about it, because you don't like an entertainer. None of these entertainers, they walk around, them have all kind of gonorrhea, all kind of rabies, all kind of STD, all kind of syphilis, all kind of sexual disease that walk around, right? Look at Itana. Check out Itana situation. Them call Itana, you know. Check this. Them call Itana for come up at them studio, because them build a new studio, you know. Right? When the young lady attack you, it bring tears to your ear if you see how wicked them is. And how them walk. Right? How them walk. And put them little dirty lips on people. Then thinking mouth. Right? Then put them little thinking mouth on people. Them walk and stick them tongue down people's throat. You understand? Walk and stick them through. That's why if you notice somebody entertainer, them don't sing anymore.
Now my final word to all of this. All rapers, forget exposed. We don't care whether something will happen 100 years ago or something will happen yesterday. As long as you are a pedo, a raper, you need to be exposed. Because at the end of the day, we can't play favoritism. We should never play favoritism just because of somebody where we like. No. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your views on this topic. Alright? I'll be looking out for your comment. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.